Hello friends, this is Ms. Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today I have a simple trick to make your own do-or-die marker. We're going to use a bottle cap and I found some pom-poms at my local art store, and we're going to use a glue gun. I have an activity in my early learners class and where we do a dot letters. So I think I have some glue in my gun. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the edge of this bottle cap with the glue gun. And then I'm going to stick the pom-pom on top of the bottle cap. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry, and that's it. Very simple. I'm going to do a couple of dots. Just dip it in here. And cool. You got your nice dot going on. So, hope this was useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.